everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we learned about a shortcut on how to cube any number within 5 seconds. This is very similar to that, but method 2. 19 cube of numbers from 1 to 19. There are 4 types. Type 1, numbers start with 1 like 14 and 17. Type 2, numbers end with 1 like 21 and 51. Type 3, same numbers. Examples 33, 66. Type 4, different numbers. These two are different digits 23 and 45. Let's look at type 1 first. 14 cubed. So what we have to write, there are 4 parts again. 1, 2, 3, 4. First two parts, write the numbers as it is, 1 and 4. Third part, square the 4, the second number. 4 squared is 16. Fourth part, cube the 4. 4 cubed is 64. Now, step 2, ignore the first and last digit. Multiply the middle two numbers by 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 times 16 is 32. Now, simply add the rows. 64, consider only the unit place again. 6 to be carried over to the next place. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 1, 3, 4, 5. Again 5, take it to the next place. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 8, 17. 1 is the carry, 2. So write the numbers other than the circled ones. That will give you the answer. 2, 7, 4, 4. This is the answer for 14 cubed. Let's do one more question to understand the concept, the method very well. Write the first two numbers as it is, the given numbers. Third part, square this 49. And the last part, cube this 7 cubed is 343. As usual, multiply the middle numbers by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 times 49 is 98. Add the rows, 343, but 34 to be carried to the next place. So 9 plus 4, 13, 8, 21. 2, 5, 9, 18. Again 18 goes to the next place. 8 plus 7, 15, 19, 3. 3 goes here. 4. Now write the numbers without circles. That will give you the answer 4913. So 7 cubed is equal to 4913. This is the answer. I hope you are understanding the method, students. Let's do type 2. When the number ends with 1, it is very similar, only minor different. You are going to start from the rightmost. In the previous type, we started from the leftmost. So 2, 1. Write 1 here and 2 here. Do the same step. Square this. 2 twos are 4. Now cube this. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So only minor difference. As usual, double the two middle numbers 8 and 4. Add the rows. 1, 6, 12. 1 is the carry, 9. So when you cube 21, the answer is 9261. Let's do one more question to understand the concept very well. 51 ends with 1. Start from the rightmost. Write 1 here, 5 here. Square it. 25. Cube. 5 cubed is 125. Double the middle numbers. 25 times 2, 50. 5 twos are 10. Add the rows. 1, 15. 1 goes to the next place. 1 here, 6, 7. Again, 7 needs to be carried over to the next place. 7, 12. 1 plus 2, 3, 1. So write the numbers without circles. That will give you the final answer. So 51 cubed is equal to 132,651. I hope you are following the method type 2 as well. Let's do type 3, same numbers, 33 cube. This again really easy method. All the four parts you are going to fill it with 3 cubed. What is 3 cubed? 27. 27. Write 27 in all the places. Now as usual double the middle numbers. 54 and 54. Add the rows. 27, 2 is the carry here. 9, 13, 1, 8. 8 is the carry here. 15, 19, 1, 8. 8 is the carry again. 35. Now writing the numbers without circles will give you the answer. So 33 whole cubed is equal to 35,937. Let's do one more question to understand the concept very well. As usual, 5 cubed. Write 5 cubed in all the four parts. What is 5 cubed? 125. 125. 125. 125. As usual, multiply the two middle numbers by 2, which will give you 250. 250. Add the rows, add the numbers, 125. But only the unit place to be here and other rest of the numbers to be carried over to the next place. 12, 7, 8, 3. Again 38 carried over to the next place. 13, 4, 6, 11, 4. 41 to be carried to the next place. 6, 6, 1. Now the answer is going to be 166375. Such a big answer, we got it in few seconds. Let's do type 4. Different numbers 2, 3. Now here the process is little different than the other three types. First part, write the cube of 2. 2 cubed is 8. And the last part, write the cube of 3. 3 cubed is 27. Now for the two middle parts, square this number, multiply with the second number, like 2 square times 3. 4 3s are 12. Write it here. Now, same manner, square the second digit and multiply with the first digit. Like 3 square times 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 comes here. Now, as usual, multiply the two middle numbers by 2. 24, 36. Now, add the two rows. Consider only the unit place. So, 2 is the carry. 10, 16, 1, 2, 5. 5 is the carry. 7, 11, 1, 4. 4 is the carry. 8 plus 4, 12. Now, write the numbers without circles. That will give you the final answer. So, 23 whole cubed is equal to 12,167. Is it not really easy? Let's do one more to understand the method very well. So, what should we do? Cube the first digit. 4 cubed, 64. And the last part, cube the last digit. 5 cubed, 125. Now to get the middle parts, square this and multiply by 5. 4 squared 5. 16 fives are 80. 80 comes here. Now square the second digit and multiply by the first digit. 5 squared and 4. 25 times 4. 100 comes here. So as usual, double the two middle numbers, 160, 200. Now as usual, add the numbers and keep only the unit place. The rest of the numbers to be carried forward to the next place. 2, 1, 3. 31 is the carry. 1, 11, 17, 1, 2. 27 is the carry. 11, 9. So write the numbers without circles. 91,125 is the answer when you try to find out cube of 45. Okay, students, I hope you understand all the four types. If you are doing it for the first time, you may find little difficult all the four types. But once you practice 5 to 6 questions and start doing it, you will find it really easy and then you'll be able to finish it really quick. I hope the video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever there is a new video. See you next time. Take care.